Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and this is going to be a very informative video about the Goriahat market. Today I am going to Goriahat and we will be saying about the information about it and how you can reach some clippings of the Goriahat market. Currently I am in Domdom Park area. So let's continue this video going to Goriahat market with my mom. Meet you on route. Basically there are three markets in Kolkata, that is Hatibaga, New Market and Goriahat. Today we will be showing you the clipping of Goriahat market, which is in South Kolkata itself. So basically I am planning to go by metro from Belgacia to Kalighat. এখানে সকাল 10টায় আসবে, সিঁড়ির উপর অব্দি লাইন চলে যায়। 2 tickets each of 25 rupees up to Kalighat.
चांदनी चौक प्लेटफॉर्म डान दिखे अगला स्टेशन चांदनी चौक।
পরবর্তী স্টেশন এসপ্ল্যানেড, দরজা ডান দিকে খুলুন।
চলো এক্সিটের দিকে। So by metro, cab and auto, 1 hour it took to reach Goriahat from Domdom. So when you come to Goriahat is a usually four-sided market. From one roads come from the Park Street area, that is the 7 points. One from this side, it's come from the Ruby Eastern bypass. That side comes from the Rajbihari, and this side goes towards Jadavpur. So this is the actual scenario, four-sided completely market. Soon you enter in one of the food. So this is totally, you will get the view on Goriahat market. So Goriahat is basically a very famous tourist destination. I'm saying marketing destination for Kolkata people all over West Bengal, I say, because there are three basically market: Hatibagan, which is in North Kolkata, and New Market, which is in Central Kolkata, and Goriahat is in southernmost of the part of the Kolkata. And you can come by autos, which goes towards Rajbihani, comes from the Ruby, and that side comes from the Park Street 7 points, and this is towards the Jadavpur. This is the Goriahat points. Which in Goriahat market you will basically get the dressing materials, dressing makeup things, starting from sarees to paljar kurtas, starting from the jewelries, custom jewelry, start from the original jewelries. Various famous saree shops are here, and most of the thing is here. And you can come by metro, as I have come. During puja the crowd is intense. You can see the items. You will get varieties of things. So you will get the watches also here, various. These are not company branded, but you will get the watches, plants, jewelries, the shops like this you will get. And here is a continuous crowd flow. You can see you will get the mobile covers, back covers like this. This is the lane which goes towards Ruby Eastern bypass. So in this lane, if you come at the starting, you will get jewelry shops and some clothing shops. You will get sunglasses which are not branded actually, but you will get something like this. This type of shops you will get in Goriahat. Even the plant shop is also there. So as I can see, if you are coming in the footpath which is coming from the Ruby, then you will get maximum of the jewelry shops, custom jewelry shops and watches. Currently I am in the footpath which is coming from the Ruby side. After every 2-3 shops you will get a shop of mobile covers and temple glass, especially in the footpath which is coming from the Ruby side, that is Eastern bypass side. I am seeing that. See, you will get varieties of mobile covers, In Siliguri you rarely get this. If you are coming Kolkata, do visit Guriahat market at least once. You have footpath shops, you have also branded shop in Guriahat like this. If you want to plan to buy branded things, you can also buy. There are various this kind of sorts for saris, pajama kurta. This is generally for pajama kurta shewanis. And here you have select stores which is of saris. So you have various type of stores here. This is also a branded shop. So there is no deficiency of branded shop and unbranded shop in Guriahat. I guess out of the three market, first stands Guriahat, second stands Hatiwagan and third stands New Market in terms of varieties. The crowd which you are seeing here now, this crowd, the crowd which we are seeing here now, this crowd is just less than average. Come 1 month before Puja, you will feel the real crowd of Guriahat. If anyone seen this video from North Bengal and they prefer to good marketing and they have a high budget, then do come Kolkata and visit Guriahat. You will get a variety of things. And this is the lane which is coming from the Rajbihari, this side, and going towards the 7 points. So that's all for this video. Just showed you some clipping of Guriahat market, and that was a video just intent to show. There was no blogs for the channel for long, and showed you the Guriahat market. My recommendation is that if you are in North Bengal and if you like shopping, or any part of Bengal, if you love shopping and you have high budget or medium budget for shopping in Puja or any other purpose, you can come to Kolkata for market. Boro Bazar, you know, is a famous name, but Boro Bazar is generally a wholesale market. You will not get single thing, but a retail market is greatest in Guriahat, New Market, Hatiwagan. Out of that, Guriahat is the most preferable one. You can come, you can visit. 2 days, 1 day will be a tiring one, but 2 days will be enough for a better shopping experience at these markets. You will get ample of variety, ample of things, and ample of price range. Do visit Guriahat at least once. So with that, ending this video. Have a nice day ahead from Priyam Samsafar. So, and signing off from Guriahat, Kolkata. And regarding coming to Guriahat, I have came by metro, and you can, if you are deboarding at Howrah, you can come to metro by Esplanade, or I think no one comes directly from station to marketing. From hotel, you can come by your taxi. Metro Blue Line serves to Kalighat, which is the nearest metro station. Ruby metro station is currently non-functional, so you will not be able to get the function of Ruby railway metro station. And bus services are available according to the route you choose.